Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. iPhone 15 Pro right here. Just got in. I got me a MagSafe case from the seller, and they want me to test it out. So, check this out. That looks good, right? All right, let's take a look at it in here. I've got a black phone, by the way. So, black phone with the black case. I think it looks pretty good, right? Inspect this case real quick. You got some air bubbles on the corners right here to protect your case. That's usually what they are, so that when you drop it on the corner, it'll protect it. MagSafe ring is black, looks good right there, and it feels good in the hand on the side right here. The buttons and stuff are all like ridges. If I was to close my eyes and try to feel on it, yeah, I can feel the buttons. All right, test out the MagSafe real quick. So stuck on there pretty well. MagSafe is pretty strong, so no problem there. Look at the cutout real quick. Got a big cutout right there, so if you have a USB-C or something like that. Let me see, I can show you. There we go. USB-C has plenty of room to move around there, so if you were to like get a thicker USB-C ends, it'll fit just fine. Anyway, this feels pretty good in the hand, and feels like it's pretty flexible, the case, so it's easy to take off and on. Anyway, that's it for me right there. I'm out. Have a good one. Bye bye.